What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Mya Monét. And today's video is going to be something different. Today's video, I'm going to be letting my boyfriend do my voiceover of my wig and style. Today, I will be working with Beauty Exchange. They sent me a package and they sent me a synthetic wig. I'm going to show you guys the wig and all that so I don't have people in my comments like, send me the wig, send me the box. And all of the information inside my description box too. But basically what I'm about to do is show you guys the box, show you guys the wig, and get to the install process. So I'm so excited. Like, I'm always so excited. And this project is very cheap, so you do not have to make it rain, baby. You don't gotta make it rain. All you gotta do is spend $44 to get this beautiful style that I didn't even do yet. But I know it's gonna be beautiful because I believe in myself. They sent me this huge box with their name on it. I don't show you guys my address, obviously, because, you know, that wouldn't be great. They sent me some lashes that I might be putting on for this video. They sent me 2 wig caps, yes, in a color dark beige, which probably be too dark, but still gonna use them. And then they sent me the wig. So this is the wig right here. So I'm so excited to use this wig because I never had a synthetic wig before. And I'm super duper excited because synthetic wigs are the move. This wig is actually HD. So get into it. Right now, let's just get right into the video.
Wigs. Transparent too. Period, best friend. Yes. G. Yeah. What she doing right now is, oh, that's what kind of wig is that? But anywho, what she doing right now is showing y'all the wig. Y'all see she shaking it and stuff. Extra. Look, she cutting off them the things that be clipping onto your head. Yeah, she stepping them off. She said them be hurting her. But anyways, ooh, Jesus, getting very much. Ooh, y'all know who she look like? She like Riley off the Boondocks. G, just like him. Now she put some oil on her head. What type of oil that is? Okay. Fancy. Got a little thing. Gee, she look like Riley, bro. Bye. That's edge control. And wise it up little bobby pin in now. Ghetto. What she doing right now is, you know, she using her edge brush. You can get that from the beauty supply. When your local beauty supply, whatever. You can actually get it for Walgreens, too. What she doing is brushing her edges back, you know, because she finna put that wig cap on, period. It's giving. Now she got her blow dry. Shh. How blow dry sound? G. I know that hair itch, girl. It's kind of her skin tone, the little wig cap. That's her skin tone. Just a little bit lighter. Gee, I hate when she be pulling all the way down past her nose like, girl, extra. Gee. What she doing right now is getting her 2 got to be glue. You can get that at the beauty supply, too. And she's spraying it on her edges. Ooh, bless you, girl. I chew. Y'all see what she doing? Okay. I ain't know how to do all this. Fancy. That's a cute little, you know, cone. Shh. Got your blow dry again, girl. Y'all trying to do the blow dry sound. Don't mad me. Ooh, HD. Period. She ain't have to put it on her chin like that. Extra. You got new makeup, Valley, best friend? Where you get that from? You ain't tell me. Shoot, I supposed to know everything. But anyways, what she doing right now is putting her makeup on the lace. Cause you need to put it on the lace, y'all. Y'all girls be putting on that lace and they don't be giving scalp.
Yeah, I gotta say, on this wig, these knots are so freaking good. It's literally like, y'all, it does not look like them big fat knots that I get on my human hair wigs. These knots are so freaking small. Like, yes, I will start wearing synthetic wigs more because this right here, I like this. And then I like how the wig is HD. Like, I tried to put it to my chin to show you guys. But, anywho, let's go back to the voiceover.
Okay, she using her 2B Got Speed glue again on her on the lace, and she doing the blow dry again. Okay. Now she put some makeup, and she using her mirror. She putting makeup on her what's that called? Wig cap to make it blend in. Pat, 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 pat. Okay. Ooh, speed it up. Okay. She putting it all over, y'all. Y'all gotta put it all over. All over, okay? Now she finna use some scissors, y'all. Look. She finna use some scissors. See how she do that? Gee, she raw. Gee, y'all see how she do that? Y'all see how she do that? Period. Bitches can never. Period. She cutting it. Y'all gotta make sure y'all cut like all of it off. Now she using her 2B Got Speed. Y'all see how it's like it's kind of like it's kind of coming up a little bit. That 2B Got Speed gonna get y'all straight before y'all put that glue down. See what she doing? Take notes, y'all. Take notes. See how it's coming up? See, she laying it down. She trying her best. She in the mirror. Look at her. G. G. Now her getting in her eye being stupid. G, she a goofy. Y'all see? See, y'all don't take no. G, that. See that you do? Try to put it all close to your head. She been bagging up. Look at her. Better mess her up. Yeah, that's you get. Should be doing all that. Yeah, I know it hurt. I know it hurt. Hope it burn. Come on, girl. Get back into the video. Come on. We don't come back to eye. Y'all see her? Now she getting her cotton pads. Witch hazel. You use alcohol or witch hazel. Either one. Get all the excess, spray glue. Ooh. That was fast. But what she doing now is, she sassing it to her head. She might do some cutting too. Yeah, she had to do some cutting. I knew that. Okay. Gee, not my brother in the background. He can bring it down 3 notches if I come in now. But anyway, she got her 2B Got Speed glue. She putting on her little thing. Y'all see what she doing? Y'all can use, y'all can do the use 2B Got Speed glue, gel too. It's slicking down too, y'all. Get y'all right. Period. Look at her. She thinks she professional. Dry to tacky. Y'all see that on the screen? Take notes. Yes, best friend. Getting very much boiled egg. Y'all see how she applying layers? She used to be using her glue. But it's another way y'all can do it too. See? She putting the blow dry on it. Then she pulling it down, y'all. Pull it down. Don't put it down too far. Because y'all be having it by your... Oh, no. Y'all girls be having it by y'all eyebrows. Like, all the way down. Do y'all see how she doing it? Y'all do it like that. Okay. Y'all see? See? She making sure it's right. Don't have it down too far now. See how she holding it? Use her tube going in with her 2B Got Speed glue. And her comb. Her sparkly comb. See how she got that blow dry? Y'all. Y'all know the blow dry sound. Okay, she done now. Is that a sock? I don't know what that is, but she putting it to hold her lace in place. Hold it in place. For it won't move. Oh, that's her little wig strings. See, she a professional. Y'all ain't got that now. I know y'all don't. See, ooh, it's giving length. It's giving very much length. Period. She thinks she cute. Bad. Look. Y'all can't even lie, that don't look like no synthetic wig. Baby, it looks human. It's giving volume. Yes. Best friend, it's giving, girl. It's giving. She be effing them up. Bro, y'all know my best friend be effing them up. She be eating y'all up, G. With this hair stuff, y'all cannot compete. Period. Look. What that is? What's that? I don't know what that is, y'all. But I think she messed up a little bit. But she still. She going in her with her, y'all know the eyebrow thing, archer? She going in with it. She cutting it. Y'all can cut it 3 ways. She said that's easier. See, I be taking notes. She said that's easy to cut it into 3. And make it easier for her. So whatever make it easy for y'all, do it. Okay, she going in with it, y'all. See? She cutting around it. Oh, she done cut out some hair. I think that's what she was tending to do, but but y'all see? Big. Oh, yeah, her forehead look big. But we ain't gonna talk about that. So she got her y'all know the little hold in place things. She going in with her blow dryer. Ooh, she making her edges now, y'all. She got edge control. She got some edge controller from this company. I forgot the name of it. I think she have it in the description below. She plucking it, y'all. And she using her edge brush. I told y'all where y'all get the edge brush from. Beauty supply. Beauty supply. I like the edges. It's cute, girl. Girl, she looking cute, pig.
Okay, before I do my outro, I just want to say one thing. I do have 2 braids on each side. And since it is a T-part wig, I feel like it's low-key making the wig look a little bulky. But, I'll find, maybe I can hot comb it. I didn't know for sure if I can hot comb it because I wanted to burn up. But let's just go into the outro. I just want to say that it kind of looked lumpy like this, but whatever. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product, and I love this wig so much. If you guys like this wig, make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channels for more content like this. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Keep up with me, you know, keep with my life, whatever. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you can see every time I upload a new video. I do a lot of hair videos, but I do have a share haul coming soon. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys see when that video goes up. I don't really have much to say. I just want to say thank you to Beauty Exchange for sending me this wig. I very much appreciate you guys. All of their information will be linked in my description box below. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Thank y'all. See y'all later.